The lace eating, where's the lace at? I don't know. Hey y'all, Simone Nicole, and I'm back with another Amazon wig review and unboxing. So let's get right into it. Also, details on this hair, link is in my storefront. This wig is from Belle Extense Hair on Amazon. I paid about, how much did I pay for this hair? Right now, this wig is retailed for like $75. There's a $10 coupon, and the price dropped down to $80, and there's a $10 coupon. So you're gonna pay around $75 right now for this. Full frontal, 24 inches, 180 density, body wave. For $75, you cannot beat that price. If I knew about this wig in college and I was looking for cheap, affordable hair, I would add this to my cart so fast, because I was paying more than I should have for hair when I could have got this for $75. And this is a quality wig. So definitely go check out my storefront and shop this wig, Belle Extense. I have it in 24 inches. Get whatever inch you like. It's your world. But yeah, so let's get into this unboxing. This is a 28-inch water wave 13x4 wig. I'm definitely eager to open this and see what's inside. So let's go ahead. All right. Did I open it wrong? Hold on, y'all. They made sure that this was packaged real good. All right. Off the first look, the packaging is not cute. Because what is this? If y'all watched the previous unboxings, then y'all know that the first wig, the packaging was so cute. They had like a really cute little burgundy bag with gold letters on it. They gave me a melting band. They gave me little gifts. They gave me a little thank you card with instructions. It was really cute, and the wig was bomb. Full frontal. But yeah, that wig's on my channel, and that was the ABS FWIW deep wave wig. You'll know the video because it'll be in the title, and then I'm wearing the same outfit, same hairstyle in it from the 3 unboxings. But yeah, back to this one. So this says usuchbeauty. Oh, that's a cute name. usuchbeauty. You're such a beauty. 13x4 water wave women's wig with baby hair. So this packaging is very interesting. I did get a wig like this before where it was in like this little plastic thing, but the way this is packaged is very like, I can't really tell what's going on. The lace looks very wide, like the lace will go down to my chin. But let's unbox it and see. We're gonna have to cut this open, okay? So let's open it up and see what's inside. I can tell the wig is long by the way they got it packaged up all suction tight. Maybe the wig didn't fit, so let's see. Ooh. Wow. Y'all, look at the length of this. They had this thing folded up 3 times like this. And the wig caps fell out. But this is a long wig. So let's take this out the bag. Alright, take that out. A little freshen gel. They all smell that smell. This one just smells kind of strong. Take off the net. Ooh. Uh-oh. And this is what we have, y'all. So all right, let's look at the lace first. So it's typical 13x4, not a full frontal. Starts here, ends right there. This is supposed to be 28 inches, so let's see. Okay, yeah, it's pretty long. It's pretty long. Let me see if I can show y'all all the way back here on my head. Okay, so keep in mind, this is a 24-inch body wave wig, and this is 28 inches. Maybe I need to wash it, but I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if this looks like 28 inches off the bat. Now, I guess we won't really know until I go and wash the wig, condition, and install it. But I can say, I mean, the wig is long. I don't know if it's giving 28 inches, but this is a long wig. So I'm hoping that once I install it, I mean, I don't know. I'm going back and forth because like, it does look long. And you know, curly hair is like really shorter than it appears because it's shrunken, it's curled. So, I mean, this could be 28 inches, but I'm just trying to give y'all an honest review. I can't really tell right now. I can't tell right now. Sometimes it looks long, like, I mean, but I have to install it and come back and show y'all. So let me show y'all the lace first. Showed y'all the inside, 4 inches right there, little inch on the sides. Y'all know I'm not really a big fan of these laces, but I mean, I don't hate them either because that's what most wigs are now. The wig is the same. This one is not as white as some of the other wigs I've gotten. So this should be very easy to melt. The hair is very, very, very soft. Super shiny, has a lot of luster. Y'all see how cute it is? Super cute. And yeah, I'm just really eager to like wash it and see how the curl pattern is and how this wig does once it's washed and conditioned. Cause it's super cute now. And I just want to see if it'll stretch out some more or how to look once I install it. So yeah, we're getting some shedding. I mean, with curly hair, it's like, if you're just trying to run your hand through like tight curls, I mean, you're just kind of asking for the wig to shed, like you're putting tension on the curls. So we're getting shedding, yes. If it was a straight wig, you know, not so common, but with these curly wigs, I'm not surprised when they shed. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of shedding, but I'm gonna install this wig, bleach the knots for y'all, plug it, wash it, condition it, make it real soft and silky, put some silicone mix on it, and then I'm gonna come back and review it that way. So don't leave yet, stay tuned so y'all can see the final review. And yeah, don't go nowhere, I'll be right back. This is the install, y'all. This is the hair, 28-inch water wave from usuchbeauty on Amazon, and I'm in love with this. I'm in love with my hair. Like, I'm literally in love with this look. I'm not even exaggerating. I just am in love with this. Everything about this install is perfect. The waves in the hair, and this hair comes like this. You don't have to crimp it or anything. Like, this is water wave, so this is the natural pattern of the hair. Very, very beautiful. And a wig like this, you could just put it on. You don't have to curl it or anything, just wet it, and this is the natural pattern of it. Super cute, right? Super cute. I did a little half up, half down style. The lace, where's the lace at? I don't know, but this looks so bomb. What I will say is, they sent me a 28-inch, but I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if this is 28 inches. I don't think this is given 28 inches, but then again, this hair is wavy, so I mean, maybe it shrunk a little bit, and once you like straighten it out, it's 28 inches, but this right now is not giving 28. So, but besides that, the hair is super thick and full, as y'all can see. The hair is definitely full. So the details on this hair, y'all, this is a 13x4 28-inch water wave wig from usuchbeauty here on Amazon. The wig might have a coupon right now, and this is in 28 inches. Even though I don't really think it's that long, I don't think it's 28 inches, but it's still pretty lengthy. So I do like this wig. The lace looks really nice on it. You could do a middle part with it, a side part. It is a 13x4, but I just opted for this hairstyle. So yeah.